The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
Good day, everyone. Today we will learn more about muscles and glands. Are you ready to watch and listen? So now, let's start.
Hi everyone, we are the muscles of your body.
I'm Stella, the skeletal muscle. My name implies as a skeletal muscle attaches to the skeleton and enables your body movement.
Hi, I'm Mika, the smooth muscle. I'm responsible for a number of functions in your body, such as movement of food through the digestive tract and emptying of urine by bladder.
Hola, I'm Kira, the cardiac muscle, and I'm responsible for pumping the blood.
There you have it, guys. So now let's move on to our two types of gland and the other 5 glands. First, let me introduce you the first gland, the duct gland. Duct gland responsible in releasing your secretions through small ducts or tubes into the body cavities or on the surface of the body. The second one is the endocrine gland, or they call ductless gland. Endocrine gland responsible to release in your secretions called hormones directly into your bloodstream. So now, let me introduce the last 5 glands.
I'm Tia, the pituitary gland, also called the master gland, because I controls the functions of many glands.
Yo, I'm Tyra. The thyroid gland regulates oxygen consumption and helps energy output.
I'm Flora, the parathyroid gland. I secrete a hormone called parathyroxine.
And I'm Ada, the adrenal gland, responsible in producing a variety of hormones, including adrenaline, endosteroids, aldosterone, and cortisol.
Hello, we are the parts of sex gland which is responsible to
Secrete your sex hormones.
Ovary. One of usually 2 organs in women and female animals that produce eggs and female hormones. Testes. A typically paired male reproductive gland that produces sperm and secretes testosterone, and that in most mammals is contained within the scrotum at sexually maturity.
Now that we learned the muscles and glands, let us know their roles in controlling human behavior. Understanding human behavior is a very complex task because of the other activities of the both body and the mind. The muscles and glands influence our behavior in many ways. Now, let us understand the role of muscles and glands in controlling our behavior.
We muscles are responsible for your types of movement and behaviors, which are internal as well as external.
That's true. And we also have the ability to contract and make the movements possible, such as walking, running, manipulation of objects with hands, maintenance of body posture, respiration, and body heat.
Plus, we also help you in communication functions, such as speaking, writing, typing, gestures, and other facial expressions.
Last is we also help you in constriction of organs and vessels which propel and mix food and water in digestive tract, propel secretions from organs and regulate blood flow through vessels.
Another factor related to functioning of muscles is the muscle tone. Muscle tone is necessary for keeping the back and legs straight. The head held, an upright position, and the abdomen from bulging.
Hi, I'm parathyroid gland. I can control human behavior mentally. But how? Well, because of me, an individual becomes highly sensitive to criticism and unable to control emotion.
Ah, well, in my case, my two parts, which are medulla and cortex, mostly controls behavior. Cortex produces a hormones called cortex, leads to fatigue, depression, poor memory, sleep disturbance, and more. My adrenaline also is the responsible for mobilizing the person for emergencies.
Sex gland. In mine, under or over secretion, I affects the personality development in the traits. Example is the early and late maturations affects personality and behavior in various ways and more.
In addition to these glands, there is other gland such as the pancreas that produces insulin. And when the insulin quantity in blood goes very high, the sugar level comes down, particularly in brain, resulting in sweating, unconscious, lack of energy in limbs, and etc. Muscles contraction is also very important for us to perform long-term activities like running, marathon, listening to long lecture, shooting, and other activities. So moving forward to our next group, which are the glands.
Glands. You wanna know how I affect your behavior? Well, I'm being activated during emotional situations. For example, sweating increases during your fear or anger. Tears increase during grief. Saliva decreases during fear and make our mouth become dry.
Did you know that endocrine are the hormones promote healthy and normal personality? But over and under this, secretions of endocrine hormones that affect the development of your body, metabolism, mental development, and emotional behavior, some important glands which are directly related to the development of personality and behavior are
Your personality with the help of my anterior lobe, which controls the growth of your body, prolactin secretion in women, metabolic activities, and many more. You, Tyra, how can you control human behavior?
Well, if you don't pituitary gland, my hyperthyroidism converse causes an increased nervous tension or excitement, insomnia, forgetfulness, dullness, and more.
Now that you know the effectors of muscles and glands in our body, what do you feel? Are you aware that they are responsible in your behavior and traits? So what now? What have you learned? I hope you learned a lot of many informations about our muscles and glands. See you again next time. But now, let us now feel the beat and sing with us.